Sawadee Welcome to the Network for the Development of Agriculture Cooperated in Asia and the Pacific. NEDED was started in 1991 by UNFAO, ICA, UNILO on the recommendations of 1990 ICA Regional Conference of Cooperative Ministers. Memberships of NEDED can be from Asia, the Pacific, and its wider associated regions. NEDED members can be from anywhere in the world. While regions activities are NEDED include trainings, seminars, workshops, study, research for the promotions of agriculture and aligned sector cooperatives. NEDED Training Center encountering different classroom and online programs. NEDED website is www.nedac.info. Please visit, subscribe, and like our official NEDED YouTube channel. Thank you. Sawadee Krap. I'm Joy Min Ding. I'm a consultant in Network for the Development of Agriculture Cooperated in Asia and the Pacific. Welcome to NEDED's video. I present special videos on General Assembly Session 2018 of NEDED held in New Delhi, India. Our website is www.nedac.info. You can enjoy the videos on NEDED official YouTube channel or on Facebook NEDACHO. Best wishes.
Namaskar. Honorable Minister of State, Government of India for Agriculture, Farmers Welfare and Panchayati Raj, Sri Purushottam K. Rupala ji. The Co-Chairman of NEDAC, Mr. Ravanere ji. We have here all our distinguished delegates from different countries, and on behalf of the country, the Ministry of Agriculture, National Cooperative Development Corporation, I welcome all the distinguished members and delegates to this General Assembly of NEDAC, which we are hosting on behalf of India for this important network. We have amongst us Ms. Xiao He from the Government of People's Republic of China, Sri Bhima Subramaniam from NAPSCOP, India, Sri Krishna Bahadur Upreti from Nepal, Mr. Daksha Podel, Co-Chairman of National Cooperative Development Board of Nepal. He enjoys ministerial status in the Government of Nepal. We have also amongst us Mr. Gigi Dayasumana from the Department of Cooperative Development, Government of Sri Lanka. We have Muhammad Sahabdin Riaz Sahab from the largest cooperative, youth cooperative and other cooperative sector of Sri Lanka. He is the chairman of that. We have Mr. Panuvat Nakapuran, executive advisor from Thailand CPD. We have members from Indian organizations such as CRIPCO, FISCOFED, Mr. Balasubramaniam Balu Iyer, the Regional Director of ICA ROAP New Delhi. We have Mr. Tomio Shichiri, the representative of FAO in India. Mr. Satyanarayana, the Chief Executive of NCUI India. Mr. Brajendra Singh from HAFED will be joining us soon. We have Mr. Tarun Bhagav from IFCO. Mr. Sanjeev Chadha, part of our organizing committee, Managing Director of NAFED. We have a very important cooperative society from Andhra Pradesh, Mulkanur Cooperative Society. We have Tamil Nadu State Markfed, the new members in NEDAC, Mr. Ramulu. Telangana State Markfed. We have Mr. A. Sivakoti Prasad from Andhra Pradesh Markfed, new member. We have from TriFed. We also are going to have shortly from Guj Commercial, Gujarat Markfed, Sri Singhani Saab. And also above all, we have Ms. Anjana Chelani from the International Labour Organization. As all of our colleagues in NCDC present here, the members of media, Alpana ji from the Press Information Bureau of India, and others who are present here, I express deep gratitude on behalf of NCDC for you to be here and at this auspicious occasion of inaugural ceremony being chaired by our Honorable Minister. Over the next 2 days, we have a large and very important agenda to deliberate upon in the members component of the NEDAC. For the first time, particularly under the guidance of our Secretary, Agriculture, Sri Sanjay Agarwal ji, we have added many thematic sessions for discussion for the delegates, in which we will deliberate upon challenges and opportunities facing the agriculture and cooperative sector in our region of the Asia and the Pacific. We expect these 2 days brainstorming session on NEDAC General Assembly to cover things such as how to revive the cooperative sector to play a very important role in the rural economy of the region. One of the ideas which we have been deliberating amongst us in India, amongst our colleagues, among the leaders of cooperatives in the country, and the best example of our cooperative leader is our Honorable Chief Guest. He hails from the Gujarat state. From his very start of his career, he has established and made functional many cooperatives in Gujarat state which are vibrant and doing very well. We are really happy and honored, sir, that you are here, and the cooperative movement in the region will get a big boost from your words of advice and addressing this gathering. We have mainly 2 important things which we would like the General Assembly to consider in the following days and the following sessions. One important thing is we feel that cooperative to cooperative trade should become a mainstream to add value and enhance the income of the cooperative members, particularly the farmers. The cooperative to cooperative trade under the ambit of NEDAC, we would like to request the members of the General Assembly to consider whether how we can embark upon this activity of cooperative to cooperative trade, and on behalf of NCDC and also with the blessings of the Honorable Minister and Government of India, we would like to push this for the benefit of the common community or the larger community of the region. And the second issue is of the capacity development. The cooperatives in our country as also in other countries in the region, we have long history of cooperatives, but we have to develop further our capacities and deepen our understanding and doing things in a more professional and more efficient manner. So second thing which we would like, we would rather request the General Assembly to deliberate upon also within its works plan formulation is how do we develop the capacity of the cooperatives in the region, particularly Asia and the Pacific. Apart from that, sir, there are other things which we will be deliberating in the 2 days, and we look forward to the fruitful and very experienced guidance from all the members in the NEDAC to arrive at a common consensus. How do we move ahead in the coming 2 years with our work plan from 2019 and 2020. Having said this, we would also like to expand the membership of NEDAC to larger audience or to more countries, and for this we will really be requesting our international organization founders. As you know, NEDAC took, but it started under the auspices of FAO regional office for Asia Pacific in Bangkok. ICA was one of the main promoters for NEDAC, so also international labor organizations. We would like to request them to help us in expanding the outreach and role of NEDAC in the coming years. And if you can see the commitment and reiteration of commitment from the highest level in Government of India through the messages that we have received from our Honorable Minister for Agriculture, Sri Radhamohan Singh Ji, message from Sri Rupala Ji, our Honorable Minister of State, and also from our Secretary of Government of India, Federal Government. They have reiterated their commitment to NEDAC through their written communication, and we hope that the NEDAC is going to play a bigger role and more vibrant role in the cooperative movement, cooperative sector, and in the overall theme of enhancing the value, increasing the income of the farmers of not only India but also of the region in Asia and the Pacific. We hope that NEDAC will provide a platform to enhance and increase the income of farmers and allied sector partners in the cooperative. Thank you very much. I once again thank all the delegates from member countries, other officers, NCDC officials, the IARI, which have given the premises, and above all the members of the media for having graced this occasion. Dhanyavad.
थैंक यू
थोड़ा सा मुस्कुरा देना.
यस स्माइल देखिएगा सर.